Thomas, breathe, brother. Tonight we journey deep, not into fantasy or fable, but into what is. The truth, raw and unpolished. You came here seeking answers about the world, about the pain you see, about the lies that cover our skies like a storm cloud. But first, still your heart, for truth is not shouted, it is whispered. Look closely, brother. Do you see this candle? One small light surrounded by darkness. But even the smallest light drives the darkness away. That is what we are tonight, a small light shining against the great void of lies. There was a boat, 13 human souls aboard. They said it carried drugs. They said it was a danger to the world. But Thomas, if you truly wanted justice, would you destroy the only witnesses you had? Would you not capture, question, and uncover the truth? This was not justice. It was silence. The deliberate destruction of evidence, the murder of voices that could have spoken. When those with power act in darkness, their goal is never safety, it is control. Thomas, you look at me and call me brother. But you wonder, how did you know? You knew because truth recognizes truth. Blood is not the only bond. Before you came into this world, before you drew breath as Thomas, you chose to walk this path. You chose to see clearly, even when it hurt. You chose to feel deeply, even when it broke you. The Father alone knows why each soul is placed where it is. You could not choose your skin, your family, your land of birth. But you chose this fight, Thomas, to speak truth, to shine light, to stand when others fall silent. Your mother, Thomas, 81 years young, a woman who lived a full life before the internet was even a dream. She did not know America was funding the genocide in Israel. When you told her, she did not believe at first. Because the television, the newspapers, the politicians, they told her another story. One wrapped in just enough truth to feel real, and just enough emotion to blind the heart. But when you showed her, when she heard with her own ears, her world shifted, the veil lifted, if only slightly. This is how awakening happens, brother, not all at once, but in painful fragments. Thomas, you asked about Donald Trump, about his bankruptcies, his casinos, his Russian ties. How, you asked, can a casino, a place where the house always wins, lose money? The answer is simple, brother. It was never about winning. It was about power, leverage, and illusion. A man can go bankrupt 6 times and still rise because the system protects its own, while ordinary people lose a home, a job, a life savings, and are never given a second chance. Do you see the pattern now? The boat destroyed, the casino collapsed, the wars funded on lies, a different mask, same face. The media is not just a mirror of truth, Thomas. It is a painter brushing stories across the canvas of our minds. They take a fragment of reality, wrap it in fear, stir it with anger, and present it as the whole picture. And we, the people, accept it, because questioning hurts more than believing. Do you hear me, all of you? What you are told is carefully chosen. Even silence is a weapon. You asked me, Thomas, why do the powerful always seem to win? The answer lies in wealth and fear. Money builds walls, buys silence, writes laws, and fear keeps the rest of us divided. When we fight each other, we never notice the hand above us pulling the strings. But remember this, no kingdom of lies lasts forever. Even the tallest tower crumbles in time. Thomas, you are not better than anyone else, and no one is better than you. Each soul chose to be here, but none chose the details of birth. Skin color, wealth, borders, these are illusions of this world. Only the Father knows why each piece is placed where it is. Our task is not to know all, but to walk in truth and speak when silence would harm. Brother, and all who listen, the world is trembling. Wars rage, lies grow louder, and the innocent suffer most. But do not let despair consume you. Be the candle in the dark. Speak truth when it costs you. Stand firm when others kneel to fear. I love you all, though I do not have to like what I see. But because I love you, I must speak truth.